Coffee machine, how does it work? Here's the dial for the strength, turn it on with that button there, let it do its cleaning cycle. Beans go in the top. If it runs out of beans, fill it up. Don't put anything in there, it bungs up the machine. That's the milk spout. If you decide to work out how to froth your milk, then go ahead, but clean it afterwards, otherwise it gets covered in sticky coffee. Once it's warmed up, you've got a single or double espresso and a single or double Americano. Ignore the flashing red light, that means you need to descale it, which we don't. Once it's done its warm up, if this light comes on, the jug, then you fill this up with water from the tap or from the filter or from the jug. That's the water reservoir. If that light comes on, it means that the waste is full. Put the waste coffee in the bin, the liquid in the sink. Put it back together again. Once it's done its cleaning cycle, which by the way you can use to warm your mug up, you've got single or double espresso, single or double Americano. Let's do a double Americano. Grinds the beans, puts the coffee in the cup. Off it goes. Espresso goes in first. Then it kind of changes to topping it up with hot water. I want it to stop there. Press any button and it will stop. That's how it works.